Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to add a voice filter or effect on your voice within TikTok. So if you want to change how your voice sounds in your TikTok videos, this is how you do it. So first and foremost, go ahead and log into your TikTok account. Make sure the TikTok app is up to date, running the most recent version of TikTok, and then go ahead and create a new video. So we're going to go ahead and upload a video here just like you normally would. And then what we're going to want to do is hit the down arrow here into where you see voice. Tap into voice. And then you're going to see a bunch of different options here under voice. You'll see trending. You'll see some singers. Go to the one here that you like. And again, you can change it to say sound like Santa, sound like an elf. Let's go and change it to sound like an elf. It'll take a few seconds. And then you play the audio back like we're doing here. And it will change the overall sound of your voice. Once you're ready, tap the save button in the upper right hand corner. And then just go ahead and go about editing your video like normal. And you are good to go. Again, hit the down arrow on your video, go to voice, select the voice that you want. Let's say we want it to be the trickster. You tap that there, and you can always go back and change it. If you ever want to get back to your original voice, you hit the little circle with a line through it here, and then it will automatically remove any voice that you've added. So if we go here and add sneaky, it'll go ahead and apply that voice, and it goes ahead and changes the way your voice sounds. But if we hit the little circle there, it automatically removes it and takes it back to our normal voice. That's it. That's how you add a voice effect or a voice filter within TikTok. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.